Shinkansen friends.
Hello. We're going to Aomori.
This is our feast.
We're going to eat an ekiben.
What is in your ekiben, Sam?
Pork tonkatsu.
Oh.
Yummy, yummy.
What is in your ekiben, Nebuta?
私は very small one. 見て。天ぷら、エビ天ぷらおにぎりと
Yeah, ekiben. Yeah.
牛タン
Oh, I had that yesterday.
スパイシーワン、美味しいの。とこれはうなぎのおにぎりと、
And then these are all our snacks.
あとね、唐揚げも買ったの。唐揚げ
Oh, she got some karage. And then many breads. And then I have sandwiches. And I have chicken in some sort. No, I didn't do that. They put it inside me. And rice. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
I was stressed because there was too many people.
Tokyo, imagine that.
You are in the capital.
No, it's because I was worried I would
In the
hit them.
summer season.
I thought I was going to hit them with my bag and then they would fall on the train track.
I did hit somewhere.
Sata does that, but she doesn't care like you do.
People should watch
Well,
me.
actually, 50% she doesn't notice. At least you care and notice.
I'm just worried. And then a train man told me off because I walked near the train by accident. Whale chat. Like having a baby.
I should have. Let that all ease into the side. This is actually cheaper. Just put it inside his tummy.
His baby.
Kind of. ポケモンのなんていうの
Pokemon.
Changing, like
Oh yeah, evolving.
evolving, yeah. If you press the B button, he will stop. Do you know?
I always did that to Bulbasaur. I never wanted Bulbasaur to evolve.
It looks more serious, aren't they?
Oh. Whale chat.
になりました。
Ohayo, whale chat.
かわいいよね。I should have cut that this one.
久しぶり。
Did you know the Shinkansen is moved with magnet?
No.
So that's why it's not
That's why it's not show shape.
No, it's like
Maglev.
Is that because of earthquakes? The magnets are better for earthquakes.
I don't know, it's faster. I don't know if it's
We're
ecology.
scientists.
How long has the Shinkansen been going? When did they first open?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Oh, how long does Shinkansen been
When
going?
Sat will tell every dad joke that there is.
When I came to Tokyo for first time when I was 18, which is like quite a long time ago, they didn't have Shinkansen. They had the only nighttime train. It's like 4 bits fast.
Oh, like the sleeper train. I want to go on that train.
If you're on the top of the wheel, where it's gonna be really tough to sleep. So that was when I was 18. Then later, next year, so when I was 19, they started from Hachinohe to Tokyo. But it wasn't fast, like, I think it was 3 hours and a half, 4 hours, something like that.
But that's not much slower than this. This is going to take us over just under 300.
Compared to now, before it was whole overnight flight.
So where was the first Shinkansen to? Are you researching stuff?
I don't know.
I wonder where it was from. That's something we will learn. He's just checking Stranger Things. We have M&Ms.
People, come on, M&M. No.
We've been on the train for less than 20 minutes and finished our food.
It's very 美味しかった.
Yes, it was. Oh well, Sat is still eating his.
Very slow eater.
I wish I was a slow eater.